The following video is for the Let's Talk Science Sunprint activity. It is recommended that you watch the tree identification video first before starting the sunprint. In order to do this activity, you will need the sunprint kit, which can be found inside the tan envelope. Do not expose the blue paper to sunlight until you are ready to begin the activity. Once you have identified a tree, take a leaf sample and find some small objects that can be used to hold it down. Remove the blue paper from the envelope and place your leaf on it. Using the small objects, weigh the leaf down. Avoid casting shadows on the paper with the objects or placing the objects directly on the paper. Over time, as the paper is exposed to sunlight, it will begin to turn white. When the paper appears to have stopped changing color, remove your sample and place the paper back in the envelope. Remove your sunprint and place it in warm water, stirring it occasionally. The area exposed to sunlight will begin to turn blue again, while the area obscured by the leaf will become white. When the color change is complete, remove the sunprint and allow it to dry.